While the trial was conducted on a small group of children with severe epilepsy, it showed that the drug had a manageable side effect profile, but only showed extensive symptom relief for a brief number of patients. Representational picture: consuming a marijuana-based drug may be safe in treating children with severe epilepsy, results of a clinical trial has shown. Following treatment with cannabidiol, a non-psychoactive compound found in marijuana, about 1 in 5 children were described as much or very much improved from their baseline, while around half reported none, or a very slight improvement, Xinhua news agency reported. While the trial was conducted on a small group of children with severe epilepsy, it showed that the drug had a manageable side effect profile, but only showed extensive symptom relief for a brief number of patients. The trial involved the sickest children with epilepsy, children who are having seizures many times per day, who have been recently hospitalized for their epilepsy, and have failed on average about 9 anti-epilepsy drugs before, said lead author John Lawson, a pediatric neurologist at Sydney's Children's Hospital. The main aim of the study was about safety. We found that there were a few safety concerns, but overall those safety issues were very manageable and the drug overall was very safe for the majority, he added. The study was published in the Medical Journal of Australia. Although legally cannabis must be prescribed by a doctor, recent reports of cannabis derivatives being successful in treating children with epilepsy have led to a number of parents of sick children sourcing their own medical marijuana. While the study's authors said the results were significant, they stressed that the purpose of this study was about safety, not efficacy. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration had recently approved Epidiolex, cannabidiol, CBD, oral solution for the treatment of seizures associated with 2 rare and severe forms of epilepsy, Lennox-Gastaut syndrome and Dravet syndrome, in patients 2 years of age and older. Catch up on all the latest crime, national, international and hacky news here. Also download the new Midday Android and iOS apps to get latest updates. This story has been sourced from a third-party syndicated feed agencies. Midday accepts no responsibility or liability for its dependability, trustworthiness, reliability and date of the text. Midday Management/mid-day.com reserves the sole right to alter, delete or remove, without notice, the content in its absolute discretion for any reason whatsoever.